Oh, here we have a nice little moment where you have the person singing the anthem, the national anthem, is having technical difficulties. And so, and this is a huge football game. Look at the audience here. We got a massive audience.
I think that's
it looks
Kansas City.
It looks like Arrowhead Stadium, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so they fill in. And I hadn't seen the clip. I'm sure it's out there, but they help out the artist that was attempting to sing the anthem but having difficulty. You can play it.
For today's national anthem, performed by Grammy Award-winning, multi-platinum singer-songwriter, actress, author, and owner of Radiant Entertainment, Ashanti.
Well, then you hear nothing. Man, that would be terrifying. You're standing there.
That's nice.
But the crowd figures it out.
There you go.
They fill in. And then in a weird way, you might even have a more effective or inspiring kind of... this, of course, you could turn it down now. This, of course, reminded me of... I think it was it the Raptors in the playoffs where they didn't have anybody? The guy would just get them started, then the crowd would do "Oh Canada." And there's something about like the collective energy of an entire group singing a thing, which brings even more power or I don't know, intensity, something like that.
It's also a very great song.
You're a big fan of the national anthem here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's a classic. It means a lot.
It's a great melody.
It means a lot to a lot of people, and
great lyrics.
Part of me wonders if these songs are great or if they just represent so much. We've heard them so many times.
Yeah.
That they, they have power because of that. But you try to think of a song, any song, that 50,000 people in a stadium all know the lyrics to. Mm-hmm. Just one song. That's it. That's the only song.
That's the only one, yeah.
And there's nothing even close.
Not even the Macarena.
Well, that's the other one.
I guess it's the lyrics. The chorus.
But what even is the chorus of Macarena?
I don't want to sing it.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I don't know.